Hello, hello! Welcome to Slate Orb Studios. I have tried to do this voiceover 4 to 5 times now, and boy oh boy is it getting more and more annoying each time I try. Anyways, hopefully it'll work this time. This is a redraw of the first speed paint I ever posted on my old art channel, Loon Crazed. I wanted to start this channel off like that because I'd like to think I've improved with my, extra 2 years of experience added onto the last channel and new equipment and all that great stuff. I'd like to start uploading regularly, whether it be once a week, once a month, yada yada yada. Trying to get this over and done with quick in case it doesn't work again this time, so my apologies. Also, sorry for the terrible audio quality because I can't be bothered right now. It's too much. This is my OC Constance. This is a redraw of Rainy Day. I'm sure I've already said that, but she's not an OC for any specific fandom. She's not from any of my stories just yet. I think she'll be the main character in one of my stories eventually, but I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. Anyways, feel free to let me know what you think in the comments. Feel free to give it a like if you want. I don't know. Make sure to try your best. Or something. I don't know. I don't have an outro. I probably won't have one for a while, but we'll figure it out. Enjoy the rest of the music, video, whatever. The video with the music. Okay, bye. Oh yeah, one last thing. 3/4 of this video didn't end up actually saving properly. The file got corrupted and I'm really upset about it, but I decided I still wanted to upload this because, why not? I don't have anything to lose at this point.